In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game Automobilista 2 on your PC. So what you need to do is open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video to support us. Once you have done that, we need to search up this game quickly at Steam before we can continue to another website to download this game. Now, go quickly to the Steam website, and once you are there, don't waste too much time on it because we are not going to buy it over here. So select the game Automobilista 2 and then scroll a little bit down. As you can see, there is a free demo available, but we would like to download the full game. Now the full game will be €36.99 on Steam, but don't worry, we have a workaround to save yourself a lot of money while downloading games online. What you need to do is go to the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this page. What you need to do next is search up the same game Automobilista 2, then select it, and the next step will be selecting games on the left side. Once you have done that, then we can sort by price lowest first. The next step is to search for a PC version over here, which can be activated in our country, so this text needs to be marked green. This is very important, otherwise it won't work. Now once you have found one, then select the game. And as you can see, if we open the game page, we can already download this game for just €6.11 compared to the Steam price of €36.99. This will definitely save you a lot of money while downloading games online. Now once you have purchased this game on this website, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including an activation key for Steam or a completely new legit Steam account to download this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next gaming tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye.